Assemtica Robotics. Today we are going to demonstrate a project done by students as part of our summer program in computer vision. We have two students who worked on this project. We have Mr. Nilesh, who is a second year student in ECE majoring, and he is from Vellore Institute of Technology, Amravati. And we have Mr. Pratyush, who is also a second year student majoring in robotics from KLE Technological University, Hubli, Karnataka.
Thank you, Navya. I would like Pratyush to introduce this project.
Basically, the problem definition is we need to identify a lens so that the Dobot can go to the localized point and pick up the lens and place it in a specific point.
Yes.
So for this, we have used a Logitech camera which we control it to OpenCV Python, and we have 3D printed this stand for our convenience at the 30 cm side. So first we have taken up this task in the daylight conditions, and let's see the output. As you can see, the maximum number of counters will be detected, so the localization to the point will be difficult. And let's see now, lights off. So as it is a transparent substance, no counters can be detected. So as you have already seen that the daylight conditions and no conditions, contours, there is a big problem. So we have created a stand for holding the camera and 4 LED lights and a simple circuit system.
As my teammate Pratyush has been discussed, now we switched on blue lights, and now it's able to localize the center, and now I am going to execute the program. Now this point is a localized center point for the Dobot to pick up. Thank you.
The students here have demonstrated good team spirit, and with the knowledge base that they acquired during the summer program, they have finished the project. They've demonstrated with contours, they've demonstrated with the canny edges, also experimented with the HSV values, finding in range of the background with lens and without lens. They have identified, they have demonstrated the presence of lens and non-presence of lens. Finally, they use the edge detection and to find the center of the edges that they found to localize and map the robot. Thank you for your contribution.
Thank you for demonstrating application. Thank you all for watching our videos. For more videos, please subscribe to YouTube channel Assemtica Robotics. We have other videos in Industry 4.0 area, including advanced robotics, 3D printing, computer vision, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Thank you.